Dr. Cook here. Let's continue talking about case studies. Last week, after reading the discussion board, very encouraged. It looks like everyone has a good concept of what we're trying to accomplish with this three-step case study approach. In this class, we're going to take a little different approach with the assignments. Instead of just assigning another case study for you to do, we're going to break this one up into two parts. This week we're going to deal with identifying the problem and then doing some research on that problem. Couple of comments. Several students made some good points last week about additional research. My example was really simple. Running faster is kind of an easily defined problem. You guys had some additional comments on research. What about nutrition? What about extra workouts? All those are really good points, and I guess that's one point I want to highlight with these case studies. It's okay to do extra research. If a professor calls for 3 sources and you want to dig in and look at 5 sources, that's totally okay. In fact, you'll probably be praised and congratulated for doing some extra work. So again, the research to me is really important. That's how we identify, that's how we learn, that's how we kind of address some of these root cause problems. The second issue was how do we identify the problem in the case study? Again, my example was super easy. You have to read them. Sometimes you have to reread them again. I guess the good part about this is, maybe you come up with a secondary issue, and if you go through this 3-step process of, kind of tackling a problem, maybe this time you didn't get the primary issue, you got a secondary issue, which is still fine, and I'm sure it connects into the main issue as well. So keep reading. I've also put out a couple of comments last week on the discussion board, kind of wrapping up last week. Just for resource standpoints, I do have some tips in the assignment area, which will be available probably Monday night. Anyway, that's all I got this week for case studies. Keep up the good work and don't hesitate to contact me.